Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the mop roller out of your DREAME Aqua10 roller. Okay, so as you can see right here I have it, and to take the roller out you'll need to see on the side there is this little push button. Push it, then hold the roller, just take it out like that, and now you can slide it out. You'll slide it out of this pole and you'll have the roller here. So now you have it, you can clean it. Basically, you can do whatever you want here. Right, let's see if we can take it off. You can't really take it off, so you can just have it like that. And then when you're ready to put it back in, first slide it on like that. Then on this side, make sure that the push button is correctly aligned, like that. And it's done. So that is how you do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.